Join me as I dive deep into the wild world of DMN stock and try to figure out what's really going on with it right now. DMN stock has been making headlines lately, and for good reason. It's been a wild ride for investors, with the stock experiencing some pretty significant fluctuations in recent times. This volatility has left many wondering what's behind the movement and what the future holds for this company. One of the main challenges DMN stock is facing is market volatility. The stock market can be unpredictable, and DMN is no exception. The company's stock price has been swinging wildly, leaving investors scrambling to make sense of it all. Another challenge is company-specific issues, such as changes in leadership or struggles with product development. These internal struggles can have a major impact on the stock price. Market volatility is a major concern for DMN stock, but it's not the only factor at play. The company's financial reports have been a mixed bag, with some quarters showing significant growth and others showing declines. This inconsistency can make it tough for investors to get a clear picture of the company's health. Adding to the uncertainty is the impact of market trends, such as shifts in consumer behavior or emerging technologies. These external factors can have a major impact on DMN stock performance. The performance of DMN stock is also heavily influenced by investor sentiment. When investors are optimistic about the company's prospects, the stock price tends to rise. But when sentiment turns negative, the stock price can plummet. This is especially true for companies like DMN, which are closely watched by analysts and investors. Financial reports, such as quarterly earnings, can also have a significant impact on the stock price. Recently, DMN announced a major shakeup in its leadership team, with the CEO stepping down and a new chief financial officer taking the reins. This news sent shockwaves through the investment community, with many analysts weighing in on what it means for the company's future. Another significant development is the company's plan to expand into new markets, which could potentially drive growth and increase revenue. The leadership shakeup is just one of several recent developments that could impact DMN's stock price. The company's new CEO has a reputation for turning around struggling companies, which could be a positive sign for investors. However, there are also concerns about the company's ability to compete in an increasingly crowded market. As the company navigates these challenges, investors will be watching closely to see how it performs. In terms of financial reports, DMN's latest earnings statement showed a significant increase in revenue, but also a larger than expected loss. This mixed bag of results has left investors wondering what to make of the company's prospects. One thing is certain, though, DMN stock is likely to remain volatile in the short term. The expansion into new markets is a key part of DMN's strategy for growth. The company is betting big on these new markets, and investors will be watching closely to see how it plays out. If the company is successful, it could be a major boost to the stock price. So, what does it all mean for investors? The situation with DMN stock is complex, but one thing is clear: it's a stock that's worth keeping an eye on. With its volatile price movements and uncertain future, DMN stock is a high-risk, high-reward play. If you've got thoughts on DMN stock or any other financial topics, I'd love to hear them. Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation started. And if you're looking for more financial insights and analysis, be sure to check out our next video for more.